Josan. Wow, hot. And I really want to get this one. Oh my. Yeah, they say KL market very fresh, so that's why we left early and we are here at a wet market. Woo. Dim sum stuff. I think they have like this one like auntie already come here, got excited. She want to buy things.
Buy fish.
Buy fish. Right. Cook food. Oh, they sell rats here. Oh wait, no. Clothes in the middle of the wet market. You know, there's a riddle. How did Chinese people name their kids? Oh, by dropping all these pens. Ching chong ling long tung tung chung.
This one you can buy.
Josan. Wow, hot. Low water pressure from outside. In the midst of filming.
Basket overcook. Not cook enough, you cook more up.
Hi guys! Drinking skittering. Waiting for more to come.
So fragile in our shell. It's not so binary. How we journey to ourselves. So how can I help watching the clouds pass through? No clue the time, no reason to be subdued. We all know the skies for the first time. We draw the lines, just read in between. I'm chasing you. Pause myself, hold my breath before I
A baby bed. Baby bed. Cup. Elephant. We got a pop mart, a Donald Duck one, and I really want to get this one, the very very cute one. Okay, so this guy is really like so excited, so he opened his phone.
Sorry, I greedy boy.
Yeah, he opened,
I got it.
He opened it already, so I'm not gonna open it up. Oh, escalator! Come on! Oh my god, this is a very bad way of opening it up. But okay, I really want a very cute one.
The car.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
You see the base now. If not, the box would have given the clue already.
Oh
CD shoe would
my!
have. Oh, she get Daisy Duck. Girl get the girl one. Welcome to Bukit Bintang, where it all happens, yeah?